completely fascinating. Thank you for sharing those insights. You've mentioned that investing is about understanding what the world will look like in 1, 2, 3 years. It's been a while since you were an analyst yourself, but when you were stock picking, I'd love to dive deeper into understanding what were the critical pillars of your investment process.
I got to tell you, when I was most involved in stock selection, it was just a very different world. It was phenomenally less competitive than it is today. And one of the reasons that the market today is so competitive is we pushed very hard a model of deep sector expertise. Now, we weren't the first to do this, but I think we did it in the most, like the boldest, most recognized way in the marketplace. So we've got several dozen teams of absolute world-class portfolio managers with great analysts and great associates that know their companies cold. I mean, just cold. The way that I would have done my research back in the 90s, I would just be writing these guys checks, as in I would be on the wrong side of every trade with them. They know these businesses so well. And others who have seen the impact of just how successful this model has become have really copied this across a number of the large hedge funds. Like we unfortunately, like we did change the world. We made the world more competitive. That's good for society as a whole. It means capital is allocated more efficiently. But it means that everything I know about picking stocks from the 90s is frankly not that relevant today. And it was actually a kind of a fun time. I mean, there was a stock I was looking at and like, God, these guys are just going to run out of money. Like, their cash flow is terrible. Like, they're going to run out of money soon. I called the company and I'm talking to the CFO. I'm like, I don't see how you're going to make it through the next quarter. And the stock's up a lot on this theory that your company's going to get bought. He goes, yeah, if we're going to get bought, it's going to be bought out of bankruptcy. Okay, this is definitely short. I got it. Right? That call just doesn't happen today. Doesn't happen. Just, I mean, it's like it's a great story. It's a 30-year-old story. It doesn't happen today.
Yeah. Ken, you've witnessed some